Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many are calling the best Girls White Converse alternative, the Children's Place Girls Uniform Low-Top Sneakers. If you're looking for a stylish, comfortable, and affordable pair of white sneakers for your little one, this product might just be what you need. These sneakers feature a classic low-top design that's perfect for school, playgrounds, or everyday wear. The look is simple yet trendy, making them a versatile choice to pair with any school uniform or casual outfit. What sets these apart is their fabric and build quality. The upper is crafted from 100% faux leather, providing a clean, polished look without compromising on animal-friendly materials. Inside, the lining is made of padded twill, offering softness and comfort to keep little feet cozy throughout the day. One of the standout features is the rubber outsole, which delivers durability and reliable traction. This means these sneakers can handle all the running, jumping, and playing that kids do, while still holding up well over time. The functional laces not only help secure the fit but also add a nice touch with metallic threading that gives the shoes a subtle shimmer, adding a bit of sparkle and personality to an otherwise simple design. These sneakers are imported and designed with man-made materials throughout, making them lightweight and easy to maintain. Whether it's wiping off dirt or cleaning up after a day at school, these shoes are built to be user-friendly. Sizes range from little kids all the way up to big kids, covering a broad age group to fit growing feet comfortably. The Children's Place is a trusted brand known for providing quality kids apparel and footwear, and these sneakers live up to that reputation. They offer a great value, combining quality with affordability, making them accessible to many families looking for dependable footwear. Overall, if you want a pair of white sneakers that are comfortable, durable, and stylish without the high price tag of designer brands, the Children's Place Girls Uniform Low-Top Sneakers are a strong contender. They bring the best of functionality and style for your child's everyday needs. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest product reviews. See you next time.